Recording. Nice knowing you, faggot.
Shut up, you.
Hey, wait, that. Okay. And that's the end of that. Hey, Robbie, look, it's the show. Hey, you fucking queer! Hey, Greg, you might want to get a hose or something.
The door.
I'm still recording, bro. Run! Get the hose, because I don't even understand what's burning in a metal fridge anymore. Greg, I think we fucked up. The table's still kind of like, it was racing fuel and gasoline, and I don't even get what could burn in a fridge. Not even the fucking, oh my god. Yeah, I'm still recording. Funny as fuck, dude. He's getting the, look, I don't think we can see him. How do I zoom in with a queer phone?